Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to learn about an incredible trading platform that actually gives you the opportunity to look on other successful traders and look on their strategies, and that way to optimize your own strategies in order to make as much profits as possible. So make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so welcome to Primexbt, where you can actually earn up to 14% on your crypto just by staking it. So you can enjoy high returns on the most popular cryptocurrencies, and all you need in order to get started, you need to sign up, okay, and open a free account, and it doesn't take long. You just write your email, you write your password, and then you need to verify your email with PIN code. And then as long as you're not from the forbidden countries of this website, you're more than welcome to get started. And then you simply deposit funds and select the amount that you want to stake and click on stake now. And then you can sit back and enjoy the passive income. And you can add or withdraw the funds at any time, which is awesome. You see, as you can see, the terms it's flexible, and you really don't need to do anything else by just enjoying the interest that is growing and growing on the money that you put in there. Now, another great options that you have in here is to actually become an affiliate and make even more money. You just click in here and then you get to here, and as you can see that you can introduce clients and get up to $1,250, and you earn with one of the most profitable affiliate program in the world in here. So if you want to be a partner, you're more than welcome to go in here. So one of this incredible features that Primexbt has is that actually you can click in here and you can see an explanation that Primexbt is an award-winning platform that allows you to trade global financial markets using Bitcoin, USDT, Tether, and also USDC, and much more. And in order to get started, you can open a free account, and the process is very simple. In order to start, you click on open a free account, and then you sign up, and after you sign up, you get to here. Now I open here a new account, and as you can see that currently the total funds are 0 USD. Now if I want to deposit, so I click on deposit, and then I choose which one I want to deposit. And in order to deposit, so I can actually transfer from the wallet that I have, and as you can see, I can see the address that I can transfer to. I can also buy BTC in here. I can also, as I said, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, and also with COV, which is also with the ERC20 network, which is instantly, and it's great. It's very easy to use. And make sure that you send only, when you're using BTC, to this deposit address and not anything else. So when you're doing the transfer, make sure that everything is written accurately. If you send a different token or something else, it can actually make you lose. So make sure that if you're sending to this address, you're sending Bitcoin. If you're doing to this address, Ethereum, and etc. etc. If you want to buy crypto, you can click in here, and then you can choose the different tokens that you can choose from. And as you can see, you have different payment methods that you can use. And also if you're an affiliate, so as you can see from the referral program, you will have all the details in here when you will get started. And as you can see that you can get percentage also on the other, like when you refer to someone and he send referrals to others, so you also gain some percentage, which is great. You can actually learn in here a lot, and you can also go to this incredible tool, the copy trading, which is actually helping you to see the different tactics and different trades very successful traders already done, meaning that they have proven success in the field. And as you can see that, for example, fractals, so there is plus 3,775.73% according to now. You can actually choose which ones you want to follow, and you can actually learn from them. And that way, actually, when you follow them, so you can see all the different details and all the things that they are doing. Now, if you're a competitive person, also you can go to the contest section and actually take part of different contests, which is great, okay? Because as you can see in here, there is no money at risk, okay? You're just taking part of a contest, and that way you can actually also learn from other people, because you can see other people that are doing different stuff, and that way the process will be beneficial for everyone. Now, after joining the contest, all traders are provided with virtual funds, and participants compete against each other by trading global markets such as crypto, commodities, and forex, and can monitor their progress on the leader board. And the higher your returns, the higher your ranking will be, which is great because the total trading performance, the ROI, is what matters in every contest. And the top traders who achieve the highest returns will receive prizes. So it's easy to get started, and it's simply join one of the active contests and you can show your skills to the world. So good luck in trading. And by the way, there is no risk in trading in this contest because you don't trade with real money, which is great because you can also practice that way. And as you can see the different details of the recent contents and also the ongoing contents. And also you can see the different discussions that they have on the trading discussion, which is great because you can learn a lot from it on their Telegram. As you can see, they are also tracking on the Bitcoin price and I update every a few seconds, as you can see in here, which is very beneficial when you want to purchase. And you can see, as I said, on the copy trading, I think that one of the best features in here is that you can actually also filter them also by name, but also by different currencies. So let's say that you're a supporter in Ethereum blockchain. So you can actually see the Ethereum traders, and if you're on USDC, so you can see in here, and also you can filter them by the total, by today, by active days and followers, and etc, because not the person that always have the most followers is the most successful, but also want to look on their portfolio and to actually see their different strategies. Now you can actually change here your strategies, and you can also put in here your strategies because it will be written in here. And also when you will start purchasing, so you will be able to track your portfolio in here, and also in your COV, meaning that you will be able to see the different details in here. And the total supply is over 18 million, so it has more potential and more place to grow. And the total locked, as you can see that they are locking a little bit, which is incredible. And also there is a burning, so they actually help their ecosystem to grow and actually maintain itself. And also, as you can see, the address in here. If you want to read more about the COV members, you can actually see the different details in here, and also the yield boost. And as you can see, the elite actually get 2x, and the premium get 1.5, and the advanced get 1.25. Now, if you will click on margin in here, so you also can see the trading history that you had. As you can see here, it's not because it's a new account, but you can actually see the different features in here. You can analyze in here, you can change the different graphs in order that you will be able to do different calculations and to see the different candles and the different changes, and that way to learn in the best way possible about what is going on currently in the market, what has been, and that way to make the best decisions possible to make the most profit. And as you can see that you can change in here the different currencies that you want, and also you will be able to, while you're changing it, to look on the different features. So you can see one-click trading, you can see that you also have the double clock trading, and also you can see the different details in all the markets, because sometimes one market actually affect on the other. So make sure that before you're starting to trade, make sure that you're learning how to do that. And one of the great ways to learn is to actually look on the copy trading and to look on the different traders that are already successful and learn from them. Now, just for you to know, Bitcoin has increased in value almost 5 times for the last 2 years. And if you don't trade yourself, but would like to take advantage of the huge Bitcoin moves, so this is a great platform for you to get started. Now, by the way, Bitcoin has increased in value almost 5 times in the past 2 years. And if you don't trade yourself Bitcoin, but you would like to take advantage of the huge Bitcoin moves, I wanted to tell you that copy trading is one of the best ways to actually learn from. Okay, you don't have to take just one strategy and to focus only on it, but it's absolutely a place that you can actually learn different strategies and to develop your own one. Okay, because let's take Dean for example. So as you can see that Dean's strategy has different statistics that you can see. Okay, you can see that the total gain is over 3,000%. And as you can see that the followers equity in here is detailed. The active days that he had is 136 days, and the manager equity is actually 0.15 Bitcoin, meaning that over 6,000 USDT worth. Now, if you want to see the different details, let's say in the past 30 days, so you can see the different changes that he made in here, and you can see the profit distribution as well, which is standard. As you can see, the advanced and the premium, and also to the elite, and you can see the different profitability in here on days and also on months. Also, you can see the different indicators in here if you will click, and all the details that you have in here, you can see and different strategies as well. And that way you will be able to learn a lot about different people and different ways that people did. And that way you will be able to learn from people that are already doing it and to optimize your strategy. And that way you will be able to increase your chances to make some profits, because when you're looking on other people that has experience, I'm sure that they already made a lot of mistakes in order to get to this level. So when you will do that, so it will actually help you. I'm not saying to avoid all the mistakes, but it might help you to avoid a lot of mistakes and actually help you to progress much faster and the way to make profits, whether it's in Bitcoin or whether it's with any other coin trading details that you have in here, for example, USDT. So as you can see in here that the Urban Reflection actually made more than 600% in total. When you will click on Jumpstart, for example, Jumpstart FX, you can see that he has rating of 4 stars, which is awesome. And also he made more than 49% in total. And when you will click in here, so you will be able to see the different details. So in 7 days, for example, you can see the different changes. In the past 24 hours also you can see, and also in the past 30 days, and also in total the different changes, which is great because when you will learn, and you can learn in our channel more details about trading and about crypto in general, you will be able, as I said in the beginning, to optimize your strategy and to gather in here your strategies, and that way also make some money, and also hopefully that you will be able to earn additional income by actually, as I said in the beginning, to stake some of the cryptos that you're earning, because the money that you're working, that's awesome, but I believe that you would like to make some of your money already passive income source. Now, by the way, you will be able to learn in here in the tutorials much more details, and also you will be able to analyze in here with incredible tools. So you can actually click on trade now, and that way you will be able to trade. So let's take Atom and USD, for example. And as you can see that you have a lot of details, a lot of tools in here that you can actually draw, and that way to actually optimize your trading, because when you're actually drawing, at least to most people, it actually helps them to see on the graph a lot of things that they wouldn't notice if they would do it without any drawing, okay? Because that way you can actually highlight a lot of things that you want to look at, okay? And you can see the different changes of the different candles, and sometimes, let's say, for example, we can see in here, so we can see here a hammer candle, which is an indicator that helps to a lot of traders to understand if sometimes it's going to say that the coin will go up and or go down, or the deal, the option will go up or go down. So it's a great tool that you can actually analyze in here and to learn a lot. So make sure that when you're getting started, you're going to also learn how to analyze and to use the different drawing in order to notice more features in here and different changes, and hopefully make some money. Now, if you would like to earn more money on the money that you already earned from trading, so you will be able to click on start earning, and that way you will be able to make some more money. And also you can see the different features in here. So for example, if you will do it with USDT and you'll become an elite, so you will make 1.3%. And if you will premium, so you will make almost 1%, you will make 0.97. If you want to do with USDC, so also you can see in here, so you can make some money, and it's absolutely passive because it's just money that sits there while you're doing whatever you want. So it's great because you can literally make money while you sleep if you stake your money and you put it there, okay, which is great. And sometimes even if you want to take a day off or a few days off, you can actually do that. If you want to deposit, as I said, and all the coins is pretty the same. You just click on deposit, you actually copy the address that you need to transfer for, and make sure that you're transferring the right token, and then you will be able to transfer. And also use the network that they are saying to you, and make sure that you're sending only the token they are saying to you. Actually transfer whatever that you're willing, and that way you can actually get started. Now, by the way, if it will be more comfortable to you, you can go to the settings, and that way actually to change the different currencies in here, and that way it will be easier for you. So for example, if you will do it in here, so that way when you will go to the dashboard, so you see the different changes of the coins and your own currency, which is great. And that way you will be able to maybe make some better decisions. Now you can also go on the exchange in here, and then to choose the amount that you want to exchange, and actually put the wallet balance in here. That's mainly it. Now, by the way, they also have help center here. So if you need, you can just click in here. Now, an incredible feature that I love in this platform is that actually they have an incredible community. So you can scroll down, okay, and then you can click on their Twitter, and you will be able to see that they have more than 90,000 followers, and they have a very active Twitter. Also, as you can see in here, they have thousands of engagements in here on different posts, on some posts less, but as you can see in here that they have a lot of details in here, and they have an active community and a lot of retweets, which is very, very important because it's saying to you that it's a platform that is here to stay. Okay, so if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask the community, and you will be able to get there by just clicking the link down below to get to their website, and then you will be able to get to their Twitter. Now, by the way, if you will click on margin and then you will click in here, so we'll be able to see the window promo code. Now, if you will use the promo code crypto G7, so we'll be able to actually receive up to $7,000 trading bonus on Primexbt. So you just copy in here or type it, and then you click on active, then you will be able to click yes, and then it will actually succeed. So as you can see in here, it's active, and you can actually start to deposit, and you will get an incredible opportunity. Now, by the way, another incredible promo code that you can use is the crypto G25, that all you need is to type this or to copy in here and actually to click on active, and it will actually help you to get 25% discount on all of your commission that is spent on Primexbt. So as you can see, I clicked it and it succeed, and then I will be able to see it down here. Now, as you can see, it's working and is just waiting for you to deposit, and then you will get fee discount of 25%. So enjoy. Now, by the way, if you like to trade on your phone instead of your computer, you can actually do that very simply. They have an app, and it's very, very simple and easy to use. Also, you will be able to stake in the app as well, so you can do that from anywhere that you want. The process in here is very, very easy and very simple. So make sure that you're using all the benefits that you can use in here. For example, their blog and their help center. That way you will be able to maximize your percentage of profits in this incredible platform. So for summary, if you want to get started with this incredible platform, make sure to go to Primexbt by clicking the link down below, and make sure to check out their copy trading incredible tool that will actually help you to look on the strategies of the best and actually learn how to hopefully make a lot of successful trading, because as you can see in here, in the total, they have some hundreds and some even thousands of percentage profits in total. So make sure to learn from them and to optimize your strategy, and make sure that you're also reading all the details and explanations in here. Hopefully make as much money as possible. And if you don't want to risk a lot of money or not money at all in the beginning, you can actually start competing in the contents, and that way also to learn from others, and also to have a chance to train about your strategies and hopefully also win awards. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.